Did you know that the Caroline Girvan workout will help you lose fat, increase your strength, mobility, balance, and increase muscle mass? While some of the workouts require the use of weights or equipment, there are plenty that do not, making them ideal for this at-home period. Hi people, welcome to the Healthy Boost channel. We make sure you get a healthy boost every day. Caroline Girvan is a certified professional trainer and fitness YouTuber. She has experienced running marathons and ultramarathons around the world. Find out more about the Caroline Girvan workout. Caroline's workout program, called Epic, is incredibly simple and easy to follow. It is a series for every single person, whether you're a beginner, advanced, or someone who wants to make a change on your body. This workout is for you. This is a 10-week program with exciting ways to work out, from body weight balancing to resisting movement of core while moving dumbbells. They are specifically designed with the sessions being timed to follow one another. It is your responsibility to practice with focus, effort, and proper form. Week 1. Using a combination of body weights and dumbbells. This workout focuses on foundational moves while also offering additional practice for some of the more challenging movements. Week 2. Dumbbells are pushed further with upper and lower body splits, with burpee high-intensity interval training rounding up the week. Week 3. Dumbbells target more particular muscle groups, supersets for the entire body, and brief work intervals in high-intensity interval training. Week 4. 2 upper body dumbbell splits this week. A complete body exercise combining dumbbells and body weight, and the first of the dumbbell high-intensity interval training sessions to round off the week. Week 5. Dumbbell splits throughout the week, followed by a full body dumbbell workout and a fun, no-repeat high-intensity interval training. Week 6. To begin the week, a complete body dumbbell workout will be followed by abs and core work, followed by dumbbell work on the posterior chain. We'll complete this week with a combination of isometric and dynamic full body exercises, followed by a strenuous workout. Week 7. This week's workout includes full body splits, a chair workout with decline push-ups, and a short interval, short rest, high-intensity interval training session. Week 8. This week's workout includes 2 body splits and dumbbell Bulgarian lunges in between. Complete body trisets with dumbbells, resulting in fewer rest periods that day. Week 9. Dumbbell splits encompassing the entire body, followed by a full dumbbell session. High-intensity interval training session to conclude the week. Week 10. The final week will consist of a combination of dumbbells and body weight exercises to evaluate your progress. This week will consolidate all of the skills and strengths you've developed throughout your dedicated and consistent journey. So, are you planning to take part in this challenge? If you are not prepared at this time, you can check out our channel for healthy tips, and we're sure to give you a healthy boost every day. Don't forget to subscribe also. Healthy living requires balance, but no one-size-fits-all approach, because our bodies and minds are unique. Throughout this program and any training session, you must rest. Rest days allow the body to recover and repair, reducing muscle fatigue, injury risk, and improving performance. Walking, swimming, cycling, or stretching are all low-impact activities that keep you active while allowing your body to recover. Foods, like training, must be enjoyable in order to be long-term. It does not have to imply completely overhauling your diet. Rather, it should imply gradually implementing small changes that result in a balanced, varied, nutritious, and sustainable intake that includes the foods you enjoy without feeling restricted. Because we all have different food preferences, it's critical to find simple ways to incorporate our favorites into our nutrition. Here are the shopping list ideas that Caroline Girvan has to offer. Number 1. Proteins like chicken breast, whole chicken, tuna, salmon, and pork chops. Number 2. Fridge essentials such as oat milk, cheese, butter, tofu, and yogurt. Number 3. Cupboard essentials like almond nuts, cashews, honey, rice cakes, and peanut butter. Number 4. Fruits such as avocado, bananas, apples, oranges, and kiwi. Number 5. Vegetables like sweet potato, carrots, broccoli, garlic, and squash. Even if you only eat clean, minimally processed foods, eating too much of anything can harm your goals. Snacking between meals also improves concentration, reducing cravings for unhealthy foods, and helps you to choose healthier main meals. Here are some simple snacks, some high in fiber, others higher in fat and protein. A piece of fruit, handful of almonds, homemade protein balls, protein shake, hard-boiled eggs, egg on toast, dark chocolate, whole grain crackers. Numerous prepared snacks contain refined carbohydrates and sugar. Having some protein-containing snacks is a good idea, as it helps you to feel fuller by slowing your digestion. Having access to quick, simple, and nutritious snacks throughout the day helps you maintain your energy levels. Caroline Girvan workout introduces you to the muscle groups you're going to use in each movement, as well as the core concepts of each movement. This is an excellent way to work on your own, and you can also return to it as many times as you like. You can begin your fitness journey at any time and set a fitness goal for yourself. That's because when you've got a goal, you will benefit from your hard work. Wishing you all the best, and good luck! Are you curious about Pamela Reif's 30-day workout? Watch this now to give yourself an extra healthy boost today.